Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. In today's video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about scanning documents on the iPad. You can scan documents with your iPad to create digital copies of them. In the Files app, choose a location for your scans. Then long press any empty space to bring up a pop-up menu. You then have to go to Scan Documents to get started. By default, the iPad setting for taking your scans is set to auto. So your iPad detects the pages in your camera's view and automatically scans them and gathers them at the bottom of your iPad screen. You can scan multiple documents before saving them. Remember to name your document, tap Enter or the return key to save. For more control over your scans, you can choose to take them manually. In the scanning window, choose Manual. The iPad still recognizes what you're trying to scan, but you have to take the scan yourself, hence the manual part. For each scan you take, you can retake to scan it again if you don't like the scan you just took. You can also crop the scan by dragging the corners to remove parts you don't want in your scan. Keep Scan lets you continue scanning more documents. When you're done, tap Save and save your document. There are more options you can adjust when taking your scans. The lightning icon controls your iPad's flashlight, but some iPads don't have this option. You can put it on auto for the iPad to automatically decide when it's needed. Or you can turn it on or off depending on your preferences. The three rings icon controls how your scan looks. It can be color, grayscale, black and white, or photo. Again, it depends on the look you're going for and probably on the document you're scanning. You have to try these for different documents to see how your scan looks. Remember to save and name your scan. Before saving your scan, you can also edit it a bit. To do that, tap on the scans at the bottom of the screen to open them in an editing window. You can then crop the scan or each page in your scan. And tap Done to save the changes. Even after you've taken your scans, you can still change how they look using the 3 rings icon. You can also rotate the scan, delete, or retake it. Tap Done to save the changes. Different apps integrate the scanning feature, especially note-taking apps. You will therefore see this feature used in apps like Apple Notes, Noteful, GoodNotes 6, Notability, etc. As a general rule, when used in other apps, the scans you take tend to be big files, and as such, we don't recommend using this feature in note-taking apps if you want to create small notes. Each app will have some unique features and approach to how it integrates the feature, but its core functions remain the same. So that's important to note. And that brings us to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next episode.